Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrates that whenever Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned Hazrat Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha, she spoke of her with great esteem. One day I felt a sense of jealousy and said, "Why do you frequently mention the name of a red-colored elderly woman who in exchange Allah has given you better wives?" The Prophet ﷺ replied, "Allah did not give me a better wife in exchange of her. She believed in me when people rejected me. She verified my truthfulness when people accused me of lying. She supported me with her wealth when people deprived me. And Allah blessed me with children through her, when I was deprived of children through my other wives." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23763.